Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make Paruppu Kanji using moong dal. Usually this Paruppu Kanji is made during Shivratri and other fasting days. The ingredients required to make the kanji are 1 cup of moong dal. We need to roast the moong dal and 1 cup of jaggery and 1.5 cups of milk. Use the same cup to measure all the ingredients. Few cashews I roasted in ghee. This is optional. And elaichi powder. Usually in traditional Paruppu Kanji we won't add cashews. If you like you can add it, it's optional. We need to dry roast the moong dal till it slightly changes its color and becomes aromatic. Keep the flame on medium and dry roast it. I have roasted the moong dal. Now we can switch off the stove. Now I am going to wash the moong dal and I am going to pressure cook it. You can cook it outside also. I have washed the moong dal and I am going to add water. For 1 cup of moong dal we need to add 3 cups of water. Use the same cup to measure, and depending on your cooker you decide the number of whistles. The moong dal should be cooked well, but it should not be made into a very smooth paste. You need to get the bite of the moong dal while drinking the kanji. So you need to allow around 3 to 5 whistles depending on your cooker. Close the cooker and put the weight on. I have added the jaggery in a pan and I am going to add half a cup of water to melt the jaggery. Don't add too much of water, otherwise the kanji will become watery. Let the jaggery melt completely, and depending on your liking you can increase the quantity of jaggery if you want more sweetness. Now the jaggery is melted and I am going to switch off the flame. You need not make any thick syrup, just once it melts you can switch off the flame. I am going to open the cooker after the pressure has completely come down. The moong dal is cooked well. Add the cooked moong dal in a pan, in a thick bottom pan. I am using the same cooker. Now filter the jaggery water. Mix the jaggery and the cooked moong dal together and allow it to boil together for a minute or two. Let it boil well. Then we'll add the milk. Once we add the milk, we need not boil much after adding the milk, because sometimes because of the jaggery milk might curdle. It has started to boil. Add the elaichi powder and the roasted cashews. Mix well and again let it boil for a minute. Add the milk. I am adding 1.5 cups of milk. I have already boiled the milk. Mix everything well. Once the milk starts to boil, we can switch off the stove. Let it not boil too much. Now it has started to boil. I am going to switch off the stove. Now Paruppu Kanji is ready. If you want it to be little thick, you can reduce the quantity of milk. Adjust the consistency according to your taste. Tasty and healthy Paruppu Kanji is ready. Hope you all enjoy watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel Rasa Taste and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.